Hey guys, it's Denzel here and I'm back again with another video. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys had on my last two videos. I know that I haven't been making videos for a super long time, but you guys still showed some love. You commented on the video and you also gave it some likes as well. So definitely wanted to thank you guys for that. But this is gonna be my first finance video on the channel. So to kick things off, I wanted to unbox the Acorns debit card, which I got early access to, which would link to my Acorns spend account, which it did launch a while back, but the people didn't get their debit cards until now. I think I was one of the first like 10,000 or 100,000 people to get the debit card. So that was pretty cool. So I'm definitely excited to unbox this with you guys. I've already had it for a couple days, but I just want to make sure that I had enough time to where I can make a video for you guys and put it on YouTube and share the experience of me unboxing it. But if you guys don't know what Acorns is, it's basically an investment app to where you can put money in and then, the financial advisors and stuff on their end, they invest your money into different stocks and bonds and stuff like that to help it grow over time. They also have a retirement account, which is a Roth IRA. And I do have both of those accounts, which is an investment account and a Roth IRA with them. So it's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you guys already heard of the app, but if you didn't, I'll probably make more videos on it, but this video is going to be solely based on the debit card. So basically all it is you could use a debit card, as a regular account. You could use it to buy anything, but basically what it does is it invests a little bit of the money towards your investment account. So let's say you went to the store and you got something that was like $10.45. It would invest the other 55 cents into your investment account instantly. Which that is really cool. So 45 cents might not feel like a lot, but definitely over the course of a long period of time, if you use a debit card consistently and you also invest into your core investment account through Acorns consistently, that account will grow over time. And I've been using Acorns a lot. You could adjust your portfolio to be more conservative or more aggressive, but nonetheless, if you do this for a long period of time, you're going to be saving a lot of money, which you could use to make a bigger purchase or just keep it in there for retirement or whatever purchase you're going to want to make in the future. So definitely going to be a big help to us millennials who have a hard time saving, which is definitely something I had a problem with. But when I started using Acorns and a lot of these finance apps, I was able to save a lot more money than I would if I didn't use the app. So definitely lucky to be one of the first people to get the first batches of the debit card. This isn't free to use, so the Acorns spend account is $3 a month, but with that account, you're able to use the core investment account as well as have access to the Roth IRA. So overall, it's still not free, but just for that peace of mind that you're gonna be saving more money than you would anyways, it's definitely a good investment since it's only gonna be like $3 a month. Over time that does add up, but really it's a lot easier for you to use the app instead of you doing it on your own. But enough of the talking. I really wanna get into the debit card and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Haven't really seen it. I have seen pictures of it on the Acorns app, but I actually haven't seen it in real life, obviously. So gonna open it right now. Just a little flap here. And then they have their little slogan there. I don't know if you can see it, called Grow Your Oak. And then just slide this out here. And they have a little saying there called The Future Is Yours with their Acorns logo here. Gonna open it up. And it was just in here. Wow, that actually feels really nice too. So it says, today you're one step closer to your unlimited potential. And then it just shows you that you should activate your debit card. So pretty nice packaging here by Acorns. Definitely a better experience than unboxing a regular debit card, I know from like Wells Fargo or whatever bank you have. So here's what the debit card looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually feels really nice. I guess it's made from like tungsten metal, so it's a little bit more durable than regular debit cards. Feels more similar to the more high-end credit cards that you get, like from like American Express and stuff like that. These are really heavy actually, so you're gonna definitely feel it in your wallet. But it's pretty cool on the back there. If I just cover the number, it has your name and your signature, which is already imprinted in on there. So which is pretty cool. Definitely gonna be excited to use this debit card. Kind of has a cool design there. You guys can see it. This is also a Visa card. And everything is also FDIC insured, so it's insured up to $250,000. So if anything happens, at least you have that insurance, which most banks already have. So there's some other benefits to the debit card as well. You get access to Acorns Found Money, which is their term for saying that they'll invest extra money for you if you spend the debit card at their authorized or partnered retailers and stores. So let's say you go over to a Best Buy, which I think they're partnered with, and these retailers change over time. But let's say you walk into a Best Buy, you bought something with this debit card you're gonna use anyways. You get the little bit of extra money invested that's rounded up. So let's say it was like 25 bucks and 10 cents, you get 90 cents invested into your investment account. But also Acorns will invest a little bit extra money as well, since you're buying from their partnered retailers, which is pretty cool. And I think sometimes they invest like $5 to $10 extra if you go to these authorized retailers, which is really awesome, since you're gonna be getting free money from Acorns just for using their debit card at one of their authorized retailers. And it changes over time, but you could always go in the app and kind of see what retailers are on there. So really excited to use this debit card, and I'm probably gonna be using this as my main one for the time being, just so that I save money over time. So thanks guys for watching this video. I'm really excited to start this portion of my channel. Definitely am excited to use this debit card. But also during the unboxing experience, I also realized that you also get full free fee reimbursement on any ATM, which is really cool as well. So since there's no dedicated bank for you to go to with the debit card, at least you could go to any ATM and they'll reimburse the fees for you. So definitely gonna start using this. I already have it activated, as you can see from the video. And be sure to watch out for upcoming Acorns videos on the debit card, also about Acorns in general, and future finance videos. So definitely thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.